What's up, everyone? My name is Ervin, aka the Professor, and I'm here to teach you guys how to do a B-twist. So the first thing that you want to do when doing the B-twist is learn how to do something called the B-kick. So the B-kick looks a little bit like this. I'm gonna face this way. B-kick. You're going to step, power step, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. B-kick. Step around. Dip down. Alright. So once you guys practice that B-kick a little bit more, just get used to it. Really try to get your head to go down. So I'll show you guys when I go down. I'm gonna do something called the dip. So this is called the dip, everyone. So I'm here, legs out, hands up. This is after I've turned. I'm gonna do the dip, dip my body low, and then go off my jumping leg. I call this the launching leg, and this the turning leg. So for me, my jumping leg is my left leg, and my turning leg, or my spinning leg, is my right leg. So eventually when I do the twist, after I practice the kick enough times, I'll be able to kick this leg in front and do my twist, okay? So one more time, B-kick. I'm stepping, dip, jump. Cool. So now that you got your B-kick down, you're gonna do a little bit of a jump twist. So I call this a jump twist. Pretty much you just wanna learn how to jump. And just jump and turn, okay? So again, one more time. Jump and turn. Okay? After that, try to add the arm to torque, okay? So as I jump, I'm just gonna go boom to punch, okay? This is called the punch. Woo. So you'll notice that when you do the jump and the punch, you'll go faster than usual. So coming down, you have to really make sure that you stabilize your landing. All right, so we're already at the 3-minute mark. So for the next 1 minute, kind of like a pygmy tutorial, you're gonna do jump, twist, yeah? So jump, twist, just get used to that, yeah? One more time, jump, twist, cool? So we're gonna put these two things together, the B-kick and the jump twist, and we should get something that looks like this. Do that one more time. Alright, y'all, and there you have it. That's your B-twist. My name is Ervin, aka the Professor. WeBreak Hip-Hop Dance Company. Come check out our classes in the link in the description box below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.